Lil Uzi Vert doesn't just collect cars, he commissions rolling sculptures. His garage isn't a parking lot, it's a multi-million-dollar gallery where horsepower, high fashion, and Japanese anime collide in spectacular fashion. He treats cars like a canvas, and the results are legendary. Uzi's philosophy seems to be, if I'm iced out, you think my car is not iced out. It's why his garage is estimated to be worth well over $3 million. Today, we're cracking open the doors to that legendary garage to rank his 13 wildest rides, from a $1.7 million Bugatti to anime-wrapped exotics that almost defy belief. We're ranking these not just on price, but on pure, jaw-dropping insanity. We'll count down from the slightly tamer customs to the absolutely unhinged, all the way to the #1 spot that perfectly captures Uzi's wealth and wild imagination. This is a tour through his different style eras, from a full-blown military phase to his iconic anime obsession, all brought to life by the masterminds at Car FX in New Jersey. This isn't just a list of expensive cars. This is a look inside the mind of one of hip-hop's most creative personalities, told through steel, leather, and mind-bending custom wraps. Kicking off our list at number 13 is the Dodge Charger. Now, calling any car in Uzi's garage humble feels a little strange, but in a world of multi-million-dollar hypercars, the Charger, with a base value around $80,000, is the entry point to the madness. But since this is a Lil Uzi Vert car, it was never gonna stay stock for long. Handled by his go-to shop, Car FX, this Charger has lived multiple lives. It was part of his infamous military green fleet, matching his other, pricier rides. Its most memorable look, though, was the zombified apocalypse phase, where it rocked a menacing digital shark mouth print across the front. While it might be the least extreme car on our list, this Charger sets the stage perfectly, proving that even with a more accessible car, Uzi's imagination knows no limits. At number 12, we've got a bit of a mystery machine, an unspecified Mercedes-Benz. While the exact model is often debated, its role in the collection is obvious. This is Uzi's version of clean. In a garage overflowing with loud anime raps and aggressive off-road builds, this Mercedes represents a different kind of flex. It's all about high polish, sleek lines, and quiet power. Of course, it still has that Uzi touch. Valued around the $150,000 mark, the car features subtle but significant tweaks, custom wheels, a lowered stance, and a fully redone interior. It's the car he can take out when he doesn't want to cause a complete scene, but still wants something that is undeniably his. It proves Uzi's taste isn't one-dimensional. He appreciates classic German engineering just as much as he loves outrageous Japanese art. Coming in at number 11 is another Bentley, but this one's importance isn't just its badge or its estimated $200,000 price tag. This car is all about the power of the set. It was a crucial part of Uzi's iconic Army Green fleet, a project that saw him customize a whole squadron of luxury vehicles in a matching matte olive drab. The fleet, which debuted at the 2019 Philadelphia International Auto Show, was a massive statement. This Bentley featured the signature military wrap, blacked-out trim, and a custom interior to match the theme. Owning one custom Bentley is a flex. Owning a second one just to make sure your entire fleet matches? That's another level of dedication. It shows Uzi sees his collection as a cohesive art installation where each piece adds to a bigger picture. This car isn't just a car, it's a soldier in Uzi's automotive army. At number 10, we have the USSV Rhino GX, and this is where things get seriously militant. This thing is less a car and more a private, street-legal tank. Built on a Ford F450 chassis, the Rhino GX is an armored luxury SUV for people who think a G-Wagon is too subtle. Starting around $200,000, Uzi's version reportedly has a $10,000 bulletproof upgrade, just in case. This beast was a cornerstone of his Army Green era, looking like it just rolled off a battlefield. But in true Uzi fashion, it later got a Girls Unpanzer anime wrap, perfectly blending its military toughness with his love for Japanese animation. Inside, it's pure luxury, reportedly featuring 7 TVs and a PlayStation 4. The Rhino GX is the embodiment of Uzi's dual personality, the battle-ready rapper and the playful anime fan. Sliding in at number 9 is a newer addition that shows off Uzi's evolution, the Lamborghini Huracan Stirato. After a phase of building his own off-road monsters, Uzi just went and bought one straight from the factory. The Stirato is a limited-run, off-road supercar with a raised suspension, rugged body cladding, and rally lights. It's a V10-powered machine designed to play in the dirt. Uzi got his in a gloss fun purple and immediately paired it with a matching Maybach truck, once again showing his love for creating perfectly coordinated sets. With a price tag well over $250,000 before any personal touches, the Stirato is a modern masterpiece of insanity. It marks a shift in his collection, moving from purely aftermarket builds to acquiring the rarest factory-built cars on the planet, and then adding his signature colorful flair anyway. At number 8, we have the big brother to the other Charger on this list, the Dodge Charger Hellcat. While the base model set a foundation, the Hellcat, with its supercharged V8, is about pure American muscle and mayhem. This car, valued over $100,000, has been one of Uzi's most dynamic canvases, going through more transformations than a Power Ranger. It started in the Army Green Fleet, went matte black with bright red blade-style rims, and even had a sand-colored phase. But its most unforgettable look was the zombified Apocalypse design. This version featured a matte wrap with a ferocious shark mouth snarling across the front grille, looking like something from a post-apocalyptic movie. The Hellcat embodies Uzi's more aggressive and chaotic side. It's loud, fast, and constantly changing its identity, much like the artist himself. At number 7 is a staple in any top-tier celebrity garage, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. But Uzi's isn't just any G-Wagon. This is a 2017 model he's held onto and continuously evolved, which is rare in a collection defined by constant change. With a value around $150,000, its importance lies in its staying power. While other cars are frequently rewrapped or sold, the G-Wagon remains a constant, getting subtle but impactful upgrades. It's been seen with custom red details, new wheels, and bespoke interior touches that keep it fresh. It serves as a reliable, iconic, and intimidating daily driver that still fits the Uzi aesthetic. The G-Wagon's presence shows that Uzi isn't just about the latest trend. He also values timeless, rugged design. At number 6, we have what is maybe the most legendary car in Uzi's entire collection, the Audi R8. This car is the heart and soul of his anime obsession. Starting at around $200,000, Uzi's R8 is anything but standard. It's a twin-turbo monster tuned by Sheepy Race to produce a rumored 1,200 horsepower. But the performance is almost secondary to its looks. Its most famous rap featured characters from the romance manga Kimi ni Todoki against a military green background, a bizarre and brilliant mix of aggression and sweetness. Later, it was transformed into a purple chrome work of art themed after the anime Sword Art Online. The interior is just as wild, with apple red racing seats, yellow seatbelts, and a starlight headliner that spells out Vert. The R8 perfectly captures Uzi's willingness to put his personality on full display. Cracking the top 5 is Uzi's Bentley Bentayga, an SUV that takes luxury and shoves it completely off-road. With a base price over $150,000, this Bentayga was sent to the legendary custom shop Mansory for a full P900 wide-body conversion, giving it an incredibly aggressive stance with carbon fiber everywhere. But Uzi and Car FX took it even further. They gave it a gloss purple finish to match his Huracan. And then, in its most famous form, it was wrapped in graphics inspired by the anime Beyond the Boundary, complete with iris-colored blade rims. The result is a $500,000 luxury SUV that looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic anime. It's a testament to Uzi's refusal to accept any vehicle as it is. He sees a luxury SUV and thinks, how can I make this wider, louder, and more shocking than anything else on the road? Coming in at number 4 is the undisputed king of costume changes in Uzi's garage, the Lamborghini Urus. This super SUV, with a value from $220,000 to over $500,000, depending on its current state, is Uzi's ultimate canvas. It's been rewrapped at least 4 different times, each look telling a different story. It began in the military green fleet, before being wrapped in battleship gray with orange Vlone Forgiato rims. Then came the anime explosion. It was famously wrapped in graphics from Mobile Police Pat Labor, turning the high-performance SUV into a tribute to 80s mecha anime. At another point, it sported art from Beyond the Boundary. The Urus embodies Uzi's creative restlessness. He's said to rewrap his cars every few months, and the Urus is the prime example of this philosophy in action. At number 3, we have a car that looks like it survived the apocalypse and came back for more: the off-road Bentley Continental GT. This is arguably the most extreme custom build in Uzi's entire collection. They took a pristine $200,000 plus Grand Tourer, a symbol of British luxury, and turned it into a wasteland warrior. Car FX fitted it with a giant external roll cage, a massive front bull bar, and a spare tire mounted on the rear window. It's lifted, widened, and looks ready to drive through a brick wall. This build was part of the military green era, and it perfectly captured the rugged aesthetic of that time. The interior was just as wild, featuring green snakeskin seats and a police-style siren and PA system. This car is the definition of insane, a complete rejection of what a Bentley is supposed to be. Our runner-up, at number 2, is a car that redefined what's possible with a Rolls-Royce, the one-of-a-kind chopped-roof Cullinan Vert Edition. Uzi took a $350,000 ultra-luxury SUV, the pinnacle of automotive class, and had Car FX take a saw to the roof. The result is a permanently open-top land yacht unlike anything else in the world. It's not a convertible. There is no roof to put back on. If it rains, it gets wet. But the insanity doesn't stop there. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament is encrusted with real diamonds. The interior is a sea of tan leather, with the seats embroidered with a custom figurine and Uzi's moniker, and a massive JL Audio sound system occupies the trunk. With all the work, its value is reportedly pushed well past the $500,000 mark. This Cullinan is the ultimate expression of fearless personalization. It's impractical, it's ridiculous, and it is 100% Lil Uzi Vert. And here it is. The number 1 craziest, most valuable, and most iconic car in Lil Uzi Vert's collection, the Bugatti Veyron. This isn't just any Veyron. Uzi dropped a cool $1.7 million to acquire this 1,000 horsepower hypercar, a statement in itself. But his first move was to make it completely his own. He shipped it to Car FX and commissioned a wrap that became legendary. Inspired by the classic anime Cowboy Bebop and The Weeknd's Starboy album art, the car was transformed into a rolling piece of pop culture. The hood features a giant decal of the anime's protagonist, Spike Spiegel, while the body is covered in a vibrant mix of metallic blue, red, and yellow. The interior was even redone in a lipstick red to match. This car is the perfect culmination of everything that makes Uzi's collection so special. Astronomical value combined with deeply personal, nerdy, and unapologetic style. It's taking one of the most revered hypercars on the planet and turning it into a tribute to a space cowboy bounty hunter. It is the ultimate flex of wealth and personality, making it the undisputed champion of this list. From military-spec SUVs to anime-covered hypercars, Lil Uzi Vert's collection is more than just a status symbol. It's a direct reflection of his artistic identity. Each car tells a story, representing a different passion and a complete disregard for the rules. It's a multi-million-dollar art installation on wheels, and nobody else in the game is doing it quite like him. So, which one of these insane rides was your favorite? Was it the apocalyptic Bentley, the roofless Rolls-Royce, or the anime Bugatti? Let us know in the comments. And while you're there, tell us which celebrity car collection we should break down next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.